How's it going? You enjoying baseball?
Not really.
What do you mean, not really?
I'm just not good at it.
Not good at it? Yeah, I think you're good.
Pitcher, I know where your family lives. Stop brushing my boy back.
What are you doing to me right now?
And you were coaching. What were the parents like? Were they like these idiots?
I didn't know most of them. That's what's wrong with you people. You're so involved.
Ooh, yeah!
Some of you know I'm going to do some research, spend some time with you for possibly my next movie project.
This isn't one of those you get in a room, you're so pretty, take your top off, I'm going to film you kind of things, is it?
It'll be fun to spend time with the crazy parents.
I don't think that's such a great idea.
That's exactly what I was just going to say.
Shangri-La, you know? Pool over there, I sleep over there. Ladies, my buddy Max right here.
You should do my podcast.
What's your podcast?
It's like sex and science.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking sometimes if we were to play in one of these games, how we would dominate.
Who, you and me?
Oh, man, yeah.
With the kids this age?
It must be like how McGuire felt standing up there.
Now listen, next time you go up, try to get hit, okay? It doesn't hurt that much. Have you ever got a shot at the doctors?
Yeah.
Hurts like that. Takes a second, goes away, and then you get on base. Good.
Why is it that lesbians, one of them tends to be more masculine than the other one?
Who do you think that is in this couple?
You know what's interesting? You're like the exception to the rule. I just want to go watch my son have fun playing baseball. So there you go. My imagination couldn't come up with the stuff that I'm seeing, this behavior.
Steven, suck it up! Suck it up!
You know that's her son, right?
No.